Hi, welcome to our channel Learning the Law. Today we'll be looking at other terms used to refer to human rights. In our previous video, we talked about the concept and characteristics of human rights. If you have not watched that video, please do so because it will help you have a better understanding of our subsequent videos. Before we proceed, please consider subscribing to this channel so that you won't miss our subsequent videos on Nigerian and international laws. Okay, let's begin. Now, human rights are being referred to with other terms. Now, we'll be talking about constitutional rights, fundamental rights, and people's rights. Okay, now when we say constitutional rights, they are human rights contained in a constitution. For example, the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, contained human rights in Chapter 4. Now, these rights in Chapter 4 are called constitutional rights. Why? Because they are contained in the Constitution. That's just the reason, and nothing else. Now, when we talk about fundamental rights, they are called fundamental rights because they are selected as the most important rights in a particular law. Now, the same Nigerian Constitution, as we rightly said, it contains human rights in Chapter 4, and these human rights are called fundamental rights. So this means that those rights in Chapter 4 of the Nigerian Constitution are constitutional rights and at the same time fundamental rights. They are fundamental rights because they are contained in the Constitution, and they are fundamental rights because they are the most important right selected and enshrined in the Constitution, and they are called fundamental rights. Now, the last term is people's rights. People's rights are types of human rights enjoyed by people collectively. A particular people enjoy human rights in a collective sense. For instance, a community, an association, and so on and so forth. A nation, for instance. Now, these are some of the terms and the basic terms used to refer to human rights in this context. Now, if you have any comments or question, please drop it down. And if you enjoyed this video, consider sharing it with family and friends. And if you have not done so, please subscribe to this channel. In our next video, we'll be talking about sources of human rights. We'll be talking about laws that guaranteed human rights in Nigeria and at international level. Before then, bye-bye for now.